This is an apostrophe. You wouldn't think that such an unassuming little punctuation mark would be that big of a deal, but it's one of the biggest problems many high school students face with their writing. Today, we'll learn how to use it, beginning with the difference between its, its, and its, it apostrophe s. It apostrophe s is a contraction. It's an easy way to put two words together into one. It apostrophe s is a shortened form of the words it is. It's a beautiful day equals it is a beautiful day. It apostrophe s can also be a contraction for it has. It's been great seeing you again equals it has been great seeing you again. So to review, it apostrophe s is a contraction for it is or it has. Its with no apostrophe is a possessive pronoun, as in, my car lost its hubcap after hitting the pothole. The cat saw that its food was gone. Whose food? The cat's food. The food belongs to it, the cat. Anytime that it's tells you that something belongs to it, skip the apostrophe. Another common problem is that we mix up our plural nouns and our possessives. The cars raced by at top speed. Is it C-A-R-S or C-A-R apostrophe S? Which one is correct? Press the pause button and figure it out. But when you're done, press play again. The answer is C-A-R-S. We're talking about more than one car. It's a plural noun, so there's no apostrophe. My friends are coming over tonight. The boys love to play baseball. The books are all on the shelf. These are all plural nouns, meaning there's more than one friend, there's more than one boy, there's more than one book. The apostrophe isn't needed. My friend's phone went off during the movie. Which one is correct? Press pause, then play. The answer, apostrophe S. This time, friends is a possessive. You're talking about the phone that belongs to your friend. When something belongs to someone or something, use the apostrophe. Tina's face turned red when we learned her secret. Dad's suitcase is already packed. Jordan's car is in the shop. These sentences tell you whose face, whose suitcase, and whose car we're discussing, so use the apostrophe. One more thing before we go. Many of us have trouble with the difference between apostrophe S and S apostrophe. If you have just one subject, it's apostrophe S, like Tina's face, Dad's suitcase, or Jordan's car. For a group of people that ends in S, it's S apostrophe. The teachers' classrooms were painted during the summer. The player's strategy was to gain 5 yards on each possession. Teachers and players both end with S, so the apostrophe goes at the end. For a group that doesn't end with S, the apostrophe comes first. The women's group, meaning a group of women, held their meeting last weekend. The children's toys, meaning the toys that belong to the children, were scattered all over the nursery. Put the punctuation mark before the S, since the words women and children don't end in S. Now, this can be confusing for a beginning writer, so grab a handout or two and work those writing skills until you know the difference between ITS and IT apostrophe S, and you know the difference between apostrophe S and S apostrophe. And when you do this, your grades will go up, your parents will be happier, and your teachers will think you're really, really smart. See you next time.
We're sorry, the number you have dialed is not in service at this time.